Why do we sweat? If it's a hot day, we're exercising, eating hot spicy food, or doing other strenuous activities, sweating is a natural body function that plays a vital role in maintaining body temperature. There are two types of sweat glands. Eccrine sweat glands, which has numerous pores all over the body and mainly secretes water and salt and has no odor, and apocrine sweat glands that has numerous pores in the armpits and pubic area, mainly secretes protein and lipids, and when broken down or mixed with the bacteria on our skin, produces body odor. Someone with hypohydrosis, which is not sweating enough, can lead to heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and potentially death. Someone with hyperhidrosis, which is abnormal excessive sweating, is more prone to skin infection and social withdrawal. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!